Are you preparing for the GAQM Certified Lean Six Sigma Green Belt CLSSGB certification exam? These 10 practice questions stump most candidates. Can you get them all right? Question 1. The use of station warning lights, tool boards, and Jidoka devices in Lean supports which principle? A. Pilferage minimization. B. Visual factory. C. Management awareness. D. Operator attentiveness. The correct answer is B. Visual factory. These tools help operators and supervisors identify the process status at a glance. Visual factory is central to Lean for improving situational awareness and workflow. Question 2. A Lean principle that addresses efficiency by the process worker is called A. Visual factory. B. Supervising. C. Training. D. Standardizing. Answer. D. Standardizing. Standardization removes ambiguity and variation in daily operations, boosting productivity and consistency. Question 3. While management of a company must set the stage for all improvement efforts, which of these 5 S's is primarily driven by management? A. Straighten. B. Sort. C. Shine. D. Sustain. Answer. D. Sustain. Sustain ensures the long-term discipline of 5S, which requires ongoing support and culture from leadership. Question 4. As part of a visual factory plan, Bank and Gissex cards are created and utilized to identify areas in need of cleaning and organization. A. Kanban. B. Kaizen. C. Poka-Yoke. D. Husai. Answer. A. Kanban. Kanban cards indicate inventory or work status, and in 5S, help flag areas needing attention. Question 5. The use of Kanbans work best with pull systems for determining the timing of which products or services are produced. A. True. B. False. Answer. True. Kanban supports just-in-time production by signaling exactly when new items should be produced or moved. Question 6. When a belt applies the practice of Poka-Yoke to a project challenge, she is attempting to make certain the activity is A. Well documented. B. Removed from the line. C. Mistake-proofed. D. Highly visible. Answer. C. Mistake-proofing. Poka-Yoke introduces mechanisms that prevent errors before they happen, such as jigs or alerts. Question 7. The Lean principle action in the 5S approach that deals with having those items needed regularly at hand and those items need less regularly stored out of the way is known as A. Shining. B. Standardizing. C. Sustaining. D. Sorting. Answer. D. Sorting. Sorting ensures what's needed stays near, and what isn't gets stored or removed. This improves efficiency. Question 8. SPC on the outputs is more preferred than SPC on the inputs when implementing SPC for your process. A. True. B. False. Answer. False. SPC on inputs helps you control the process before defects occur, making it more proactive. Question 9. Significant variation in process performance is a consequence of several causes that can be classified using which of the terminologies shown? Note, there are 2 correct answers. A. Common. B. Random. C. Uneducated. D. Special. E. Vital. Answer. A. Common. And D. Special. Common causes are inherent in the system. Special causes are unusual and need investigation. Question 10. When it comes to control, one of the most effective means of eliminating defects is to reaching stall map. A. Train personnel often and thoroughly. B. Keep a Six Sigma project going on the process at all times. C. Design defect prevention into the product. D. Have each process consist of no more than 5 steps. Answer. C. Design defect prevention into the product. Prevention is better than detection. Building quality into design is a key Six Sigma principle. How many did you get right? Whether it's 3 or 10, mastering these concepts is key to passing your Green Belt exam. Check out CertBoosters for the full Lean Six Sigma Green Belt practice question bank. aligned with the official study guide and covering all exam topics.